Hey guys, Crazy Cool Tutorials here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this 4-pointed ninja star. And here's how it flies. Get your paper and your scissors and let's get started. Okay, so to make the origami 4-point ninja star, you're going to need 4 square sheets of paper. Now I'm using origami square sheets of paper just because I have it and it will have a little bit of color. Now if you don't have it, don't stress out. You can always use printed paper and it'll work just as fine. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make 1 unit and then you can make the remaining 3 units by yourself. So first of all, you're going to need a square sheet of paper. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this corner up here and match up to this corner down here. So just take the corners and match them up. And once you have everything matched up, just give it a nice good crease. Now you want to rotate so that the creased end is facing away from you. Just like that. And you want to take this side right here and match up to this side right here. So just fold it up and give it a good crease. Okay. So now you want to take this side right here and match up to this side right here. And once you have it all matched up, give it a nice good crease. Now you want to rotate this thing so that it's facing like this. Now you want to take this side right here and match up to this side. Just like that. And once you have everything matched up, give it a nice good crease. Okay, now this is where if you don't do it properly, the finished product might not look as nice. So what you want to do right now is you want to take this side and match up to this side. But instead of folding it like this, we're going to hold this down and fold this. The reason why I say this is because when you fold it like this thing tends to slide out. And yes, you could hold it, but I've found that sometimes even holding it won't always make it not slide. So this is probably the best way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna peel this back just a little so it's just a little away and it's not exactly touching the side, just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to just take this and fold it to this side, just like that. And once you have that, give it a nice good crease. Just like that. Now you can unfold everything, and by everything I mean everything. And it should look something like this. Okay, so now you're going to take this big flap and just fold it over itself on the pre-existing crease. And just make sure the crease is as good as it should be. Just like that. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to take this line right here and match up to this line right here. So we're going to fold it over itself, just like that. And you want to keep on folding it over until this corner starts to fold over itself too. So it should start to fold over just like that. And once it does that, be sure to give it a nice good crease. Okay, so just like that. And give it a nice good crease. Now you want to make this creases very sharp so you can see the crease on the next step. Now you want to unfold this thing, and this is where you should see the crease, just like that. So you want to take this side right here and match it up to this crease. So just fold the side like that and match it up, and then give it a good crease. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to take this whole entire flap and just fold it over itself, just like that. Now flip it over and fold it over itself again. And fold it over itself again. Now the closer this edge is to this edge, the better. But if you don't have it, don't stress out, it'll still work fine. Now what you want to do is you want to take this side and match it up to this side. So just peel it back. And you want to crease when this side is starting to show. So just give it a nice good crease, just like that. Now unfold it, and you want to just open this pocket right here. Just open that pocket and just tuck this in. And you want to tuck it in using the crease that we just did. Okay, now once you have everything tucked in, you've made 1 unit. So now you can make 3 more units, and then I can show you guys how to join them together. Okay, so now I have folded all 4 units, and it's time to join them. So I'm just going to take these 2 and join them, and then we can keep on joining the rest. So as you can see, there is a thick short edge and a long thin edge. Thick and long. And this is what they look from the back side. Now we're not going to be looking at the back side too much. While joining, we're only going to be looking at the front side. So make sure it looks like this before joining them. So we're going to take the yellow one, or whatever color you have. We're going to have the thick side, and we're going to take the purple one, or the secondary one, and shove it inside of this little pocket on the thick side. So just open that pocket just a little bit and then shove it inside, just like that. And you can use your fingers to work it in as far as you can. Perfect. Okay, so now you want to grab your next one. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open this pocket just a little bit. And we're going to shove this long end down this pocket. Just like that. Use my fingers and shove it in as much as I can. Okay, so now we're going to take the last piece. And this one is basically the same. The only part is when we're joining the first and the last together. So we're going to take this pocket and open it up just a little bit, and then shove this long end down this pocket. Okay, so for this one, try to shove it down even further. If you can't, that's fine, but try to do your best. Okay, so now, well, we have our 4 points. Right now they're 5, so we need to connect this and this. So to do that, we have to take this long end and put it inside of this pocket. So we're going to have to take this and move it backwards, and take this and move it forwards. So just like that. Now do it gently, you don't want anything to break. And then just push it inside, just like that. Make sure it looks something like this in the middle before putting it in the pocket. And then you want to just bend it and open this pocket and just put it inside of the pocket. Now this will take a little bit of time and patience, so be sure to have plenty of those. Okay, so mine slid in rather easily, but the last time I made it, it did not go as easily. But again, it looks really, really good, and with this little 4 thing in the center, it looks even better. So now let me show you guys how to fly it. Okay, so there's not too much that you really need to know while throwing this. All you need to make sure is that this side right here with the closed edge, not the side with the flapped edge, has to be facing towards the object or wall you're throwing at. Remember, don't throw this at people. And then the open flap should be facing towards you. So just like that, and then you can go ahead and throw it. Just like that. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.